Good morning. Such a morning person. Good morning, everybody. Hope everything's going well for you today. So, as you've seen, we made our last delivery on Tuesday morning down in, where were we?
We were in Boston, Montana.
I don't even know if there is a Boston, Montana.
I don't even know where we were.
Oh, every day just kind of runs into the next.
Tijuana, Massachusetts.
We delivered in Missouri. That's where it was, Missouri.
St. Louis. No, Kansas City.
Kansas City, Missouri. So after our delivery, we were pre-dispatched. So let me go ahead and give you the details on this run. This is actually going to be picking up in Nebraska and going to Toronto, Canada. The truck is going by right now, so the sun just kind of went behind the truck. There it is. So this run is going to be going from Nebraska to Toronto, Canada. This is going to be roughly 8 pieces at 3,000 pounds. This was a 182-mile deadhead for a 966-mile run. And this is temperature with a temperature range of 53 to 73 with a set point of 68 Fahrenheit. So yeah, we did our deadhead yesterday after we delivered. Been at the truck stop here in Nebraska. Just woke up this morning, getting everything together, had my coffee, had breakfast, done all that good stuff. And it is extremely cold here. I think it's like 3 degrees. Is it? What's the temperature?
I think it's negative 14.
It is not negative 14.
I thought we were in Tijuana.
He never knows where we're at. He never knows what time zone we're in either.
It doesn't matter.
It's very, very cold out there. So yeah, we're just getting everything together. I'm going to be heading out here and picking up, and then I will be starting my shift for the day.
It's Bigfoot.
Will that show up? Mr. Don's over here drawing on the window.
Bigfoot. Can't see it.
Sasquatch, Bigfoot.
Yeti.
And then whenever our window thaws out, I'm going to have like this print of Bigfoot on the window.
You're welcome.
I guess Mr. Don will have to wash the windows again, huh?
I always do. It's not like he does. Clutch those pearls.
I can't believe he said that. Yeah, I can. So yeah, guys, we're going to finish getting everything together, go ahead and make our pickup and get on the road for the day. Haven't had no offers just yet coming out of Canada. Maybe we'll get something. Sometimes we do in that area. Otherwise, we will be deadheading back down into the United States and waiting for our next run.